स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस YouTube चैनल पर आप तमाम बच्चों का रमन क्लासेस की ओर से हार्दिक स्वागत। आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं एक लाजवाब वीडियो। हियर द चैप्टर्स नेम इज रियल नंबर फॉर क्लास 9, सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स। दिस इज फॉर CBSE only. First of all, before initiating the topic, I would like to give message to the students. Hard work brings success. बच्चों, if you want to get your own dream, you will have to determine your self-confidence. You have to determine your dream, in which direction you have to go, what type of job you have to take in future. If you have a lot of dream and if you follow the proper direction, surely I hope that you will get success in your life, provided that you must show the keen interest towards your study without skipping this type of video. Now I would like to proceed my topic. First of all, I would like to ask from you, do you know what is real number? Number whose square is non-negative. The number whose square is non-negative, this is called as real number. Pay attention here. I have already explained here. The number whose square is non-negative. Non-negative means not negative. ऐसा नंबर जिसका स्क्वायर निगेटिव में नहीं आता हो, that is the real number. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. Out of these all numbers, if we try to do a square of this 1, we get the positive result. चलिए 1 का स्क्वायर करते हैं, रिजल्ट इज 1. 5 का स्क्वायर करिए 25 प्लस 25. 8 का स्क्वायर कीजिए 64. इन दिस वे यू हैव गॉट द रिजल्ट इन पॉजिटिव. -5 का स्क्वायर लेते हैं, -5 का स्क्वायर प्लस 25. All the integers are called as the real number. सभी integers real number है. Now let us study the forward. What do we mean by rational number? The number which exists in the form a by b, where b not equal to 0. Students, pay attention. The number which exists in the form a by b, where b not equal to 0, a and b have no common integer other than 1. जहां a और b का कोई भी कॉमन इंटीजर नहीं होना चाहिए except 1. I have already explained here. 3 by 5, 4 by 9, -1, -2, 5, etc. These all are the rational numbers. We get just as a conclusion, all whole numbers are rational number. सभी होल नंबर रेशनल नंबर होता है. Another, all integers are rational number. All integers are rational number. सभी इंटीजर्स भी रेशनल नंबर होता है. Do you know what are integers? Do you know what are integers? Now apply your brain. All counting numbers having positive or negative sign, including 0. All counting numbers having positive or negative sign are called integers. -1, -4, -5, 0, 1 to 3, etc. These all are integers. I have just written here, all integers are rational number. In this way, you have got the elementary ideas related with real number chapter. That is for class 9. This is a very nice chapter. Students, first of all, you have to show your keen interest with a lot of curiosity, with a lot of self-confidence. The greatest thinker has written, he who thinks becomes as the same. He who thinks becomes as the same. मनुष्य जैसा सोचता है वैसा ही बनकर रह जाता है. Now let us study some problems related with the chapter real number. Here first question I have written here, is 5 by 0 a rational number? क्या 5 by 0 rational number है? Give reason. Try to understand here. Is 5 by 0 a rational number? We know that this is not a rational number. Why? Because the denominator is 0. The value of b, this number exists in the form a by b. This is a and this is b. Here the value of b is 0. That's why it does not satisfy the rule of the rational number. That's why we can say it is not a rational number. How will you write as the explanation? 5 by 0? No. 5 by 0 is not a rational number because b not equal to 0. Solution has been finished. Within fraction of second, you can able to solve the problems of maths if you have a lot of intelligence. As somebody has said, maths is the product of mind. It depends on your intelligence. As much as you can apply your sharp brain, you can able to get calculation skill, fast solving problems within very short period of time. Now let us solve second question. I have already written here one question. Find a rational number. Find a rational number below between 3 and 4. 3 और 4 के बीच वन रेशनल नंबर निकालना है. A means 1 होता है. I am giving one simple formula. A rational number between A and B equal to half into A plus B. If we apply this type of formula, within half minute you can able to solve this question. Solve here. A equal to 3. Here 3 and 4. Out of both, which is a smaller? 3 और 4 में smaller कौन है? जरा सोचें. 3 is the smaller one and 4 is the larger one. A smaller number, this will be supposed as 3A, or larger number, that is B, equal to 4. A rational number between 3 and 4 equal to, here is the formula, half into A plus B. Now we will put the value half into 3 plus 4. This will be half into 7 equal to 7 by 2. This is the answer. In this way, you can able to solve any type of question. If question says that you have to find a single rational number between two reference numbers. Now let us try to solve the next question, student here. Pay attention. What is written? Find the rational number between 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Now you have to identify out of 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 which is a smaller one. ध्यान दें, न्यूमरेटर इज सेम, दोनों का न्यूमरेटर सेम है और 3 और 4 में जिसका डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा होगा that will be a smaller one. जिसका डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा होगा that will be a smaller one. Here 1 by 4 is a smaller. So write A equal to 1 by 4 or B equal to 1 by 3. We have to find a rational number between 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. वैल्यू पुट कीजिए, हाफ इंटू A प्लस B. वैल्यू बैठाते हैं हाफ, A का वैल्यू 1 by 4 प्लस B का वैल्यू 1 by 3. Now we can solve half 3 और 4 का एलसीएम क्या होता है? एलसीएम इज 12. 4 3 जा 12. 3 into 1 that will be 3 plus 3 4 ja 12. 4 into 1 4. After solving we find half into 7 by 12. Result 7 by 24. This is the very simple problems. This is the very simple techniques by which we have solved test 1. You can also apply the same tools, same mathematical formula for solving the problems. After a while, I would like to come again with the next problem related with the chapter. Now we take a short break. Now I have come with the next problem related with the chapter real number. Pay attention here. Whatever is written, find 3 rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 1 by 4. This is the most important question, also asked in exam. Within 1 or 2 minutes, you can able to solve this question. I am going to solve. Pay attention here. First of all, decide out of 1 by 5 and 1 by 4, which is the smaller one. Few minutes back I have explained कि जिसका डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा होगा that will be the smaller one, और जिसका डिनोमिनेटर छोटा होगा स्मॉलर होगा that will be the bigger one. देख लीजिए, किसका डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा है 5, तो 1 by 5 will be smaller और 1 by 4 will be larger. Write down. A smaller number we will write as A, or larger number we will write as B. First of all, we will find D. How many rational numbers we have to find? Pay attention here. 3 rational numbers. So write down n equal to 3. Now we will calculate D. D means difference होता है. D means difference. There is a formula. D equal to B minus A by n plus 1. आप इस फॉर्मूला का यूज करेंगे, सवाल विद इन फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड सॉल्व हो जाएगा. पे अटेंशन. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 by 3 plus 1. Result is LCM is 20. 4 5 जा, ये 5 minus 4 अब by में हो गया 4. रिजल्ट देखिए 1 by 20 into 1 by 4. Students, pay attention attentively, carefully. You have to show 100% devotion with a lot of spirit, so that all the concepts will be set up in your brain without facing any obstacle. Pay attention. 5 minus 4, this is 1, so 1 by 20, और by में 4 है, divide 4, so divide will be changed as multiply. This will be as 1 by 4, so 1 by 80. We have calculated B equal to 1 by 80. Now first rational number equal to, there is a formula A plus D. First rational number निकालना हो A plus D, second निकालना हो A plus 2D, third निकालना हो A plus 3D, fourth निकालना हो A plus 4D. Pay attention. A, that is 1 by 5, D equal to 1 by 80. After solving, we get 80 as LCM. 5 16 ja 80, so 16 into 1, so 16 plus 1, result is 17 by 80. I have just got the result for the first rational number. Now second rational number, formula हो जाएगा A plus 2D. A का वैल्यू देखिए 1 by 5 plus 2, D का वैल्यू 1 by 80. After solving 1 by 5 plus, चलिए 2 by 80, रिजल्ट देते हैं. एलसीएम इज 80, अब 5 से 16 टाइम्स में 16 into 1, 16 plus 2, रिजल्ट देखिए 18 by 80. यहाँ क्या था 17 by 80, अब आ गया 18 by 80. नेक्स्ट आएगा 19 by 80. याद रखें, दिखाएंगे अभी हम. आफ्टर कैंसिलेशन 2 9 जा 2 40 जा, result is 9 by 40. Further we will also calculate the third rational number. Third rational number. Formula is a plus 3b. a का वैल्यू देखिए वहां से, a का वैल्यू क्या है 1/5 प्लस 3 इंटू b का वैल्यू 1/80. Pay attention, what is the value of b? 1/80. After solving 1/5 plus 3 into 1, that will be 3/80. LCM of 5 and 80, that will be 80. 5 by 5 we will divide it, that will be 16. 16 into 1, result is 16 plus 3. After solving, that will be 19/80. In this way, you have got three rational numbers between 1/5 and 1/4 are 17/80, 9/40 and 19/80. In this way, you can able to solve, you can able to find out n rational number between a and b. लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, फिर मिलते हैं. Now I have just come with the next problem related with this chapter. What is the second problem? Pay attention. Represent minus 2.4 on number line. First of all, we will draw a number line. सबसे पहले हम एक नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. आइए देखते हैं. नंबर लाइन 0 I have written 1, 2, 3, 4. We write x. Here we will write x dash. जिस साइड माइनस होता है उधर x डैश लिखते हैं, और कहीं कहीं बुक में इसको x पर माइनस भी लिखा है, इसलिए ध्यान देना है. 0, this will be 1 minus 1, this will be minus 2, minus 4. What is written here? Minus 2.4. Solution. Question is minus 2.4. This value shows that its position on the number line will be between minus 2 and minus 3. इस नंबर का पोजीशन नंबर लाइन पर -2 और -3 के बीच होगा. We consider here this is -2 and this is -3. How we will represent? -2.4. This can also be written as -2.4. After removing the decimal, result will be, after removing decimal, we will write 1. After decimal, there is 1 digit, so we will write 10. -24/10. Pay attention here. First of all, we will consider this -1. What by 10 we will write? What by 10 we will write? बच्चों, यदि आप नहीं निकाल पाते हैं तुरंत, तो -1 equal to what by 10? Try to understand here. What equal to -1 can also be written as -1/1. 1 and half, 1 and what both will be multiplied, so that will be what? -1 into 10, that will be -10. I have got the result of what? This will be -10/10. आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. कौन सा वैल्यू होगा यहाँ पर, मान लिया जाए कि हम नहीं जानते. We have to express it as the denominator 10. 10 को -1 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, रिजल्ट हो जाएगा -10. Again we consider -2. कितना by 10? 2 into 10, that will be -20. Further -3, कितना by 10? -3 into 10, that will be -30. -4, कितना by 10? 4 into -10, -40. In this way you have got the result. Now, since this value belongs to -2 and -3, so denominator, your denominator is 10. Denominator is 10. this denominator shows that every distance we have to divide it into 10 equal parts. यह डेनोमिनेटर 10 बताता है कि टू रेगुलर न्यूमेरल के बीच के डिस्टेंस को कितने इक्वल पार्ट में बांटना है. तो दिस इज 10 रिटन हियर. तो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन -2 and -3 दिस विल बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स. अगर यहाँ 5 होता तो आप क्या करते? 5 होता तो 5 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करते. अगर 8 होता तो 8 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करते. आइए यहाँ देखते हैं. दिस विल बी डिवाइडेड एज 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. ऑटोमेटिकली 10. हमें 10 पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है. 10 से 1 कम कर देंगे तो हो गया 9. I have split it into 9 equal parts. 9 marks I have used. 9 marks. Count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 equal parts. This is -20 by 10. This will be -21 by 10. -21 by 10. -21 by 10. -22, -23, -24, -24, -20, -21, -22, -23, -24. This result is -24 by 10 equal to -2.4. I have just explained. Refers, this is P. Here P represents -2.4. Solution completed. In this way, hope that students you have got much confidence with the help of this video. If it happens, if it is correct, then please like, share and also subscribe. After a while, I will again come with the last. Take a short break. Hello बच्चों, I have just come with the next problem. But before explanation of this problem, I would like to say that if you want to get a lot of benefit from me, if you want to get much confidence in yourself, please subscribe, like, share and comment too. And you will maintain the continuity on this my video. Surely you will, one day will come, you will become the masterpiece in the world. In case of maths, pay attention here. I would like to explain this question. Represent 23 by 6 on the number line. Pay attention. 23 by 6. We will write. This is changed into mixed fraction. पहले हम इसको मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करेंगे. 6 3 जा 18. 5 by 6. 6 3 जा 18. 5 23. This refers to, this is greater than 3 but less than 4. It means 23 by 6. This belongs to between 3 and 4. इसका पोजीशन कहाँ है? 3 और 4 के बीच है. We will draw number line. 0 1 2 3 4. This is x. This will be x dash. -1. ध्यान रहे कि whatever the distance you have taken, that distance should be equally divided. यह distance equal होना चाहिए. Otherwise the teacher can also estimate in one side कि it is correct or incorrect. With the help of a scale, you will do the same. Only pencil that should be used for explanation of it. This is greater than 3 but less than 4. 3 और 4 के बीच इसका पोजीशन है. We have got the information. 1. This can also be expressed what by 6. 1 को कितना by 6 लिख सकते हैं? मैथ्स इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ योर माइंड। मैथ्स आपके दिमाग की उपज होती है। आप जितने माइंड का इस्तेमाल करते हैं आपका मैथ्स उतना मजबूत होता है। प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट। पे अटेंशन। 1 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, दैट विल बी 6। तो 6 by 6, 2 कितना बाय 6? 2 into 6 मल्टीप्लाई करो, रिजल्ट हो जाएगा 12 by 6। 3 कितना बाय 6? मल्टीप्लाई करिए, 3 6 जा 18। और दिस वन 6, 4 into 6, that will be 24। नाउ डिनोमिनेटर 6 यह बताता है कि 2 रेगुलर नंबर के बीच जो डिस्टेंस है उसको डिनोमिनेटर के रेस्पेक्ट में ही डिवाइड करना है। 6 लिखा है तो 6 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है। यदि डिनोमिनेटर 7 लिखा हो 7 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है। तो व्हाट इज रिटन हियर? 6। वी विल डिवाइड इट इनटू 6 इक्वल पार्ट्स। 1 2 3 4 5 ऑटोमेटिकली 6 हो गया। हमने कहा था यदि 6 लिखा हो डिनोमिनेटर तो 6 से एक कम सोचें, 5। तो 5 मार्क हम यूज करेंगे, 5 मार्क। जब यह 18 by 6 है तो दिस विल बी 19 by 6, दिस विल बी 20 by 6, दिस विल बी 21 by 6, दिस विल बी 22 by 6 और दिस विल बी 23 by 6। We have to represent 23 by 6. That is Q 23 by 6. Here Q represents 23 by 6. In this way, you have got much information related with the chapter real number. बच्चों, अब आपको अपने कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताना है कि आज का यह वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा, आप कितने कॉन्फिडेंट हुए। यदि आपको यह वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आपसे मेरा एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, ताकि आपका कल्याण तो होगा ही, आपके साथ साथ आपके जितने भी मेट्स उनका भी कल्याण हो सके। ऑन सेइंग दिस, आई वुड लाइक टू कंक्लूड माई सेल्फ। थैंक यू।